Yesterday, Apple announced iOS 16, and since my video on the features and new things for iOS and iPadOS 16, I've had a couple requests showing how to download it. For those of you that asked that, this is the video for you, and for those of you that are interested in maybe trying it out and don't want to spend $100 for your dev account, this is also for you. So I have here an iPhone XR running iOS 15.5, and we're going to take the jump on this from 15.5 to 16. Let's begin. So prerequisites for this is obviously you need a compatible device, so anything iPhone 8 and later, iPad Air 3 and later, Mini 5 and later, any iPad Pro, and just vanilla iPad 5 and later. No iPod Touches get this update, so if you're watching this hoping to get iOS 16 on your iPod Touch 7, I'm sorry, not happening. Other prerequisites are an internet connection, Safari, and maybe a charger depending on your battery percentage or battery health. So let's jump straight into it. It's actually really quick and really simple. I've been doing this for years, probably since iOS 11 beta. So we're gonna hop straight into Safari. I'll leave the link to the website down below. It is betaprofiles.com. Very self-explanatory. It's where you can find developer profiles for all of Apple's new software, from iOS, we got iPadOS, watchOS, tvOS. But for the sake of this video, we want iOS 16, and it's gonna punch you down to this. So you can either install a profile, which is what we're going to do. This is a quick and easy way to do it. Or you can download the IPSW, and what that is it's the actual like software file, and you can run it through iTunes and flash it to whatever device you want. If you're testing multiple devices, that's probably going to be the easier way, but if you're just testing one device or two or three like me, downloading the profile is going to be the easier way. I told you not to do that. All right, whatever. I like the screensaver. So we're going to tap on install profile, and it's going to give us a little bit of hey, this is a developer beta, things aren't ironed out, are you sure you want to do this? We're pretty sure we want to do this, so we're going to install anyways. And it's going to say, this website is trying to download a configuration profile. Do you want to allow this? Normally, if this comes up, no, you don't. But for this purpose, we do. It's going to tell you it's downloaded, so we're going to go to settings and install it. And it should show up right here under your name. And once you tap on it, it'll bring it straight to it. It's iOS 16 beta software profile, or iPadOS if you're doing that. Install. We put in my passcode. I'm going to give you all kinds of like, hey, this is beta. Are you sure you want to do this? I'm going to actually stop my screen recording here because I forgot to do that the last 2 times I tried to shoot this video. I'm going to install, and it's going to make you restart. That's so that way you can apply it and take you out of the stable pool for software updates, you know, just like general releases, and throw you into the beta pool. Once we restart here, we should be able to see the iOS 16 beta. Okay, we're restarted. Let me just pull back up my screen recording. All right, so we're back in iOS 15. You can see here now we have the feedback assistant icon, which means we're now successfully in some form of beta pool. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to settings, going to go to general and software update, and it's going to take its sweet time. But here we go, iOS 16 developer beta. It's quite the large download because you're installing a completely new OS. So we're going to download, install. You're going to put in your passcode, and it's going to request the update. So I'm going to pause everything here, and we're going to come back once it's downloaded, and we'll take you through the rest of it. Okay, so 10 minutes was a lie. I was like 50 minutes. I'm not going to bother starting a screen recording at this point because we're just going to have to end it in like 15 seconds. But you can see here on Bcam, we have it downloaded. We're going to just click install. Now, you will not be able to do this on battery power if you have under, I think it's 50%. So I'm just going to let it take its time and verify. You can see on Bcam we're starting to restart here, and we'll come back when it's ready. Okay, so that didn't go quite as planned. The installation went fine, and we're going to cover that in a second, but the phone overheated. Hopefully it lasts long enough to get me through the rest of this video. I'm kind of playing chicken with it because it's hot in here. I'm streaming to my TV, I'm recording, and I'm charging, so I gotta speed run this. So as you can see, here we are on the iOS 16 welcome screen, the little hello. I'm just gonna say software update is complete, and continue. Set up Apple Pay later in wallet. You can't opt out of sending iPhone analytics because this is a beta. That's kind of the whole point of doing this, is so Apple can get analytics of what to fix. You can opt out of app analytics. I'm just gonna do that here. And welcome to iPhone. So nothing really looks different to start, but you can see we have a new app down here. It's the fitness app, and I don't have an Apple Watch paired to this, so this is just kind of there by default now in iOS 16. And if we come down to the lock screen or the notification shade, you can see I have Do Not Disturb down here, and if I swipe up, I get all my notifications. You can swipe them away. If I tap and hold, you can play around with all the lock screen stuff, which I did in my other video that I put up yesterday. That's up here. Go check that out. But yeah, we are now on iOS 16 on my iPhone XR. And hopefully, if everything went well, so are you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe. What device are you testing iOS 16 on? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video.